Good day to each and everyone. I'm Kubir Isardilis. I am here today to talk about something that many of us may have seen, heard, or even experienced: bullying. Bullying is not just simple teasing. It is when someone repeatedly hurt, embrace, or exclude ya or purpose. It can be physical, like pushing, hitting, or talking someone's belongings. It also can even happen online, which we call cyberbullying. I want to share a short experience. Back in elementary, I had a classmate who was often teased because of the way she looked. At first, people thought it was a joke, but slowly I noticed how we became quitter, how he stopped joining the group. She even cried because he said he felt unwanted. That moment opened my eyes, something we all the power to make a change. First, speak up. If you see bullying, don't just ignore it. Tell a teacher, a counselor, or a trusted adult. Second, stand together. Support your classmates who are being bullied, and simple act of kindness. A smile, a greetings, sitting beside them can mean so much. And third, choose kindness every day. We are given the choices to either hurt or help, to either judge or understand. Let us choose to be kind. So today, I challenge all of us. Let's make our school a safe place where no one is afraid to be themselves. Let's remember that words can build or destroy, and our action can either hurt or heal. Stop bullying. Choose kindness. Stand together. Thank you.